Lesson 16.1, Solving Trigonometric Functions or Equations continues. In this video, we will use the Pythagorean identities to determine the exact value of trigonometric functions. So continuing about how to keep a full suspended, I'll go ahead and let you know at the end of this video. Use the Pythagorean identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1 to determine the exact value of each trigonometric function. So we're going to use that formula by replacing cosine of theta. So it says given cosine theta equals 2 over 7 in quadrant 4, determine sine theta. So sine is negative in quadrant 4. Okay, we just want to remember that later. So we're going to go ahead and use the equation. We have sine squared theta. And instead of cosine theta, we're going to use 2 over 7 squared equals 1. So we have sine squared theta plus 4 over 49 equals 1. We're going to go ahead and subtract the 4 over 49. So since it's a 1, we can take, well, first bring down that sine squared theta. But since it's a 1, we can go ahead and take 49 minus 4 over 49. So we have sine squared theta equals 45 over 49. We then go ahead and take the square root of both sides. So we get sine squared theta is equal to the square root of 45 over 7. For the 45, we need to do our factor tree. So that's going to be 5 and 9. 9 is 3 and 3. So that's 3 square root 5. So since we're talking about sine of theta is equal to 3 square root 5 over 7, and since we're talking about quadrant 4, we already said that sine has to be negative. So instead of using plus or minus, right, this is plus or minus, we only use one sign. They told us what quadrant, so we know which sign it's going to be. It's going to be negative. And that's how we use the Pythagorean identity to solve for the trig function specified. So I'd like you to try number 31, and then when you're done, you can check and see how you did. Okay, so this time we're given sine theta equals 1/3. Okay, so after plugging in 1/3, you get 1/9. You move the 1/9 to the other side by subtracting. So we get 9 minus 1 over 9, which is 8 over 9. Take the square root of both sides. So we get plus or minus the square root of 8 over 3. 8 can be simplified to 2 rad 2. And then we're talking quadrant 2, and cosine is negative in quadrant 2. So we get negative 2 rad 2 over 3. And with that, that's how you use Pythagorean identity to solve, to determine the exact value of each trigonometric function. As for how you keep a full suspended, I think I did a really good job. I kept you suspended over 2 videos to let you know that you're the fool, right? Because That's the point of the joke. All right, have a great day. See you guys in class.